beehive. Yep. And I definitely did like get rid of this whole entire mountain that was definitely not here. And don't check out other videos where mountain was here. Don't check. I just and I definitely replaced this grass. Why would I do that? Definitely gonna take me 3 days just to do all of that. Well, anyways, we are on a beehive that I'm gonna cry for because one, everyone knows I love bees, and yeah, I just intentionally love them. Like, bro, who doesn't? Tell me, who doesn't? Oh, that's so cute, guys. There's a new baby. Oh my god, they're my new favorite mob. Oh, like you cannot tell me like bees are not like that cool. Honestly, please, please, go, please. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna need is literally brown. Did I say brown? I'll say like that color do. Now I'm gonna need like a darker color. No, that's too dark. I think this will actually do. And now all we need is yellow. We're gonna get every type of yellow you can find. So yellow, yellow, which are the modern, yellow, and yeah, something yellow I can find. So guys, it's time to get building. We got similar. So the beehive is gonna be pretty big. I'm gonna show you how it's gonna look like. Just get my drawing one on. So this is gonna be the beehive. Yeah, it's gonna be super big. It's gonna go all the way here. Guys, please, guys, you don't have to say I'm not a good drawer. This is gonna be the beehive, or this is gonna be the 2 entrances on there, and there's gonna be like a helipad. So if I want to land, I can never land here. And then there's gonna be a trail leading all the way there. And yeah, guys, that's how it's gonna be. For everyone, let's lock in. Like, especially me, let's lock in. So the first thing we have to do, I'm not gonna, guys, I don't like talking once I'm building. Like, I know that's not a lot of things YouTubers do, because YouTubers just talk while they build it constantly. But no, I'm locked in. I have to say locked. I'm locked in. I'm not talking a single time. I am talking now, but I'm not gonna talk. Really, no, I'm not gonna talk that much in this video. So don't roast me in the comments for not talking, and don't go call me an emo boy, cause I'm not. Stop. Anyways, okay. So we got this thingy majingy. And it's taking 1,000. Honestly, I just want to burn down. Beautiful. Don't worry, guys. It's not good. Let me just check this around. Okay, no, it's not that much. Oh, it comes. Oh, for I say dipped. No way, the beehive. Oh wow! Did I just commit murder? I mean, or is that just commit murder? I'm gonna protect this at all cost. That's pretty sick. Not gonna lie. Oh, it's making burn down the whole entire forest. Maybe we can just separate this with the tree so it doesn't burn down Mother Nation, because the jungle is my mother. Okay, this is good enough. But how are we gonna stop the fire, you may ask? That's the thing, I don't know. I really should have solutions for everything, should I? But, fuck all the YouTubers. I don't. Yippee, how amazing that is. Firebuddy does not have a solution. I'm just gonna abandon that. Ooh. I got a better idea. Whole tree. I got a better idea. Survival, whole tree, bow, no, cold, lit, phone, thing, no. Oh, this is so fast. No, it's quicker though. Oh wait, 'cause I have haste on. There we go. There we go. Okay, we got rid of the trees. We absolutely just destroyed the trees. It's time to go home. Home, 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 home. 'Cause I said home. My doggy's gonna need a friend soon. And his name is Silver. If Silver ever has a girlfriend, what's her name, huh? Okay, that's a good idea. I'm gonna put this video straight away. And if anyone comments on the video, that's what Silver's name's gonna be. But I'm gonna go on every single video I have. And if I find if I find if I find a name that I like in one of you guys' names who subscribe to me, I am gonna name the baby or the girl from that. So you guys better start commenting. I know you guys won't, because my video doesn't get views. So please like and subscribe. Please. People don't really see me a lot, and when they do, they just skip. So please, if you can just stay here for 5-10 seconds, wait for this video to end. You can't just skip all the way to the end. Just please stay on this video, watch me build, watch me enjoy Minecraft. Looks like that's going home. Actually, I'm gonna take the rest of these home. No, I didn't mean off the rails. This is a life or death situation, actually. It's life. Anyways, let's put the beehive. Let's put the beehive. Why am I using yellow? Yellow. Oh. That takes so much breath. Oh my god, it's so hard to do. Yo, why? I said please like and subscribe if you guys heard me. I'm gonna say it one more time. I'm literally out of breath for doing that. You guys can do it, so I'll show you how to do it. First, get a lot of breath. And then... And then, like, I don't know how to explain it, but... And then, like, block your voice. You don't have to do that. Like, so... and then talk at the same time. And then they'll just make this crazy sound. Trust me, it will drain you. You will run out of breath, but hey, it's a talent. A talent is a talent. Actually, we did like a talent show at my school. Not gonna say the name. No. Guys, this not even. Nah, it's fine. Yeah, nah, it's fine. Yes, so fine. And then one day the hero always falls. Guys, I got a story. I'm gonna try and talk as much as I can, so you guys won't likely be bored as a rock. But I'm gonna say something. This is the story about a hero falling. But then one day the hero always falls. You might think he got back up, but he never came back up. People are wondering, why is he not getting up? But it's not every day, it's not every time. He just wants to rest. He can't be fighting every day. The police, he's swinging tower to tower. His name is Spider-Man. He stopped the train. He left someone. He tried to marry someone. His Spider-Man gun was not working. He has a bad life. I can name so many things happening to him today. He didn't defeat the villain. He lost in a fight. Even someone he loved, he wanted to marry, but he said no. 100 things that they will keep happening to him. He had all the rights to become a villain, but his name is Spider-Man. He never became a villain, just because things are going wrong doesn't mean you always have to be a villain. But then one day, the next day, he's tried to stop a train to crash inside the water. But the thing is, he didn't have his mask. But he didn't care anymore. He went for it. And he stopped the train. But everyone saw who he was. But then villains from other dimensions were coming to erase him from existence. Because the world couldn't handle it, the world made a literal black hole. But Thor was there, and Spider-Man got the idea, because he revealed himself to the public. He said if no one remembers him from his world, he said, would that work? Ford said, yes, but no one will remember him. Not his friends, not his dad, not his anyone. He will just have to be by himself, and he said, "That's fine." Oh my god, that took so long to literally. I had to get the perfect one, guys, because I saw this video. Everything I said was from a video. After I said, let's make a song out of it. Oh my god, days later. I made a song! Oh my. No, the thing is, guys. Oh my god. Guys, should we make a part 2? Because honestly, that singing, all of that just made me tired, but yeah. Bottle. Bottle of liquid. Go, my tiny bees. Does Spider-Man actually have every right to be a villain? Like, if you guys see the video where just type Spider-Man had all the right to be a villain, and then you'll see like a video where Spider-Man had a difficult time, but he still wanted to be Spider-Man. He still became Spider-Man. But yeah, anyways, yeah, shall we do part 2? It's not gonna try. Let's do the out frame first. Actually, we'll do that tomorrow. Like, subscribe, guys. Bye.